How to use BMO SmartFolio app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people sign up for BMO SmartFolio thinking it's a set it and forget it investment app. But here's the surprising truth: how you set it up and manage it in the first few weeks can make or break your results. BMO SmartFolio is a robo-advisor that builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you. The first mistake beginners make is skipping the risk assessment questionnaire. Those questions may seem basic, but your answers determine your entire portfolio mix. Be honest about your time horizon, income stability, and comfort with losses. If you understate your risk tolerance, you get an overly conservative portfolio that grows too slowly. The second mistake: not linking the right funding source. Many users forget to set up recurring deposits. Without consistent contributions, your portfolio won't benefit from dollar cost averaging, one of the most powerful ways to smooth market ups and downs. Next, don't ignore rebalancing notifications. SmartFolio automatically adjusts your portfolio, but you should still review the changes occasionally. It's your chance to understand how the market is moving and how your money is reacting. Another big mistake is withdrawing too soon. SmartFolio is built for long-term goals, 3 years or more. Short-term withdrawals can lock in temporary losses instead of letting your portfolio recover. Finally, make sure you understand the fees. SmartFolio charges a management fee starting at 0.7% for small accounts, which decreases as your balance grows. Knowing what you're paying helps you compare performance realistically. When used properly, BMO SmartFolio can automate your investing, minimize stress, and keep you on track toward your financial goals. So take the time to set it up carefully, stay consistent with deposits, and let compound growth work its quiet magic over time. That's how smart investors use SmartFolio, not just to invest, but to build lasting wealth.